Welcome to our journey through time and space. Today we will explore the entire history of our universe, from the very beginning to the present day. Buckle up as we travel through billions of years of cosmic history. Our story begins approximately 13.8 billion years ago with the Big Bang. This incredible event marked the birth of our universe. In an instant, all the energy and matter we know exploded into existence from a singularity, an infinitely small and dense point. As the universe expanded, it cooled, allowing subatomic particles to form. Within minutes, protons and neutrons came together to create the first atomic nuclei in a process called nucleosynthesis. After the first few minutes, the universe entered a period known as the Dark Ages. For hundreds of millions of years, the universe was a hot, dense fog of hydrogen and helium, with no stars or galaxies to illuminate it. But this darkness was not permanent. Gravity began to pull matter together, forming the first stars and galaxies. About 400 million years after the Big Bang, the first stars ignited. These massive stars burned brightly, illuminating the universe and forming the first galaxies. As they lived and died, they exploded in supernovae, scattering heavier elements throughout space. These elements, forged in the hearts of stars, would eventually become the building blocks of planets, life, and everything we know. Fast forward to about 4.6 billion years ago. In a spiral arm of the Milky Way galaxy, a cloud of gas and dust began to collapse under its own gravity. This led to the formation of our sun, surrounded by a rotating disk of material. Within this disk, particles began to stick together, forming planetesimals. Over millions of years, these planetesimals coalesced to form the planets of our solar system, including our home, Earth. Earth formed about 4.5 billion years ago. Initially, it was a molten mass, but as it cooled, a solid crust formed. Water vapor condensed to create oceans, and volcanic activity released gases that formed our atmosphere. Life emerged in these primordial oceans around 3.5 billion years ago, with simple single-celled organisms paving the way for the complex life forms that would follow. Fast forward to around 230 million years ago, when dinosaurs roamed the Earth. These magnificent creatures dominated the planet for over 160 million years, but their reign came to an abrupt end about 66 million years ago, likely due to a massive asteroid impact that caused drastic climate changes. With the extinction of the dinosaurs, mammals began to thrive. Over millions of years, they evolved into an astonishing variety of forms. Fast forward to just 2 million years ago, and we see the emergence of our ancestors, hominins. Modern humans, Homo sapiens, appeared around 300,000 years ago, developing tools, language, and culture. Our journey of exploration and discovery had begun. As we moved into the last few thousand years, civilizations emerged, from the agricultural societies of Mesopotamia to the great empires of Rome and China. Our understanding of the universe grew, leading to the scientific revolution. In the 20th century, we unlocked the secrets of our universe with the advent of modern physics. We discovered the laws of gravity, the nature of light, and the expansion of the universe itself. We stand on the brink of the unknown. With advancements in technology, we are exploring our solar system, searching for life beyond Earth, and peering into the distant universe with powerful telescopes. But what lies ahead? The universe continues to expand, and scientists speculate about its ultimate fate, whether it will keep expanding forever, collapse back in on itself, or reach a steady state. The history of our universe is a story of chaos, beauty, and wonder. From the Big Bang to the rise of humanity, we are but a tiny part of this grand cosmic narrative. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time and space. If you enjoyed this exploration of the universe, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more captivating stories from the cosmos.